If you've ever wanted to delete multiple videos at once on TikTok, then this is the video for you. In just a few easy steps, I'll show you how to quickly and easily delete videos. So if you're ready to delete some videos, watch this tutorial all the way to the very end to learn how. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the TikTok application, and then let's go over to the profile. So the thing with TikTok is that there is currently no option to mass delete your uploaded videos. You simply have to delete them manually one by one. So if you want to do that, tap on your video and then tap on these three dots at the bottom. Right, and then scroll through these options and tap on delete. It will move you on to the next video. So do the same thing with this one. This is the fastest and easiest way to delete your videos on TikTok. So if this looks like a pain and you don't have that many followers, what you can do is delete your TikTok account and start over with a new account. So to do that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen and then tap on Settings and Privacy. And then, when you are on the screen, tap on Manage Account. And as you can see at the bottom, you have the option to delete your account. And by doing that, you will obviously delete all of your TikTok videos. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If this video somehow helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.